In this video, I will show you how to make like this motion graphic product using Canva. So just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Canva first and choose video resolution and video landscape. So after this, you have to go right now to the background and you have to change the background color. For me, I will choose this orange. And right now I will go to element or upload and I will upload my product. This is my product. I will add it here. And right now I will remove the background. So after that I will go to blob, element and I will search for blob. Click on blob and I will choose graphics and I will choose any blob that I want to use. For example, I want to use this one. I will increase it and I will just do it like this. And I will rotate it like this. And right now I will change this blob color to white. And then what I have to do, I will come here and click on layers and I will click send it back. Yeah, right now it's good. So after this, guys, I will rotate this little bit like this and put it here on this place. Yeah, so right now I think it's better. And right now, guys, after that I will go to element again and search for orange. Click orange. I will choose photo and I will add the orange that I want to use. I want to use this one here. Like this. And I will choose another one here. I will just keep these two items. So I need just orange. Right now what I have to do, we go to element and search for blob. Click on blob and choose the same blob that you using, this, and decrease it, or it's easy, just duplicate this one like this. And we have to change the color of this blob to the background color, this background. Yeah, after this, guys, I have to go right now and click on text. Click add a text and I will say right now orange, and I will change the font. Maybe this, and I will change the color to white, and just I will keep it here, I think, and I will add another text and I will say juice, and I will change the color to white, and I will change also the font, maybe to this font. So maybe I will put it here, and also this I will make it little bigger. Right now also I will duplicate this one, and I will rotate it and maybe put it here, but we go to layer, show layer, and I will send it behind the juice, maybe like this, maybe here or here. Yeah, so right now guys, I have to click on layers, show layers, and make sure that the two text it's behind all the layers. After making sure of this, go to this 3 point on the first page and click duplicate page. Come to the first page and click right now on your juice, make it, rotate it like this, and make it little bit small like this. And before or after that, hide it here and come to this orange and also rotate it and make it small and hide it. And come also to this one, rotate it little bit like this, make it small little and hide it. And also this one, we have to make it small, maybe like this. And we will keep it there. Right now we will hide this white side by dropping this here, like this, and I will come here and do like this. We'll make this juice look bigger. And also this orange, we click here. I forgot it. Just make it also small and rotate it a little bit and hide it also. Right now I will increase the duration here and I will click on the first page, click on juice and go to animate and choose any animation that you want. Also click on orange and choose any animation that you want. Hit this. And right now come between these two pages and click add transition and click match and move and increase the duration, maybe like this. Let me see if it is working. Yeah, and that's it guys. Here is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, leave a like, leave a subscribe. See you in another tutorial.